people would really try and define me, try and say, oh, well, you're not as in tune with your blackness because you don't act like a black person.
I didn't look Mexican. I didn't have the ethnic, I guess, markers that people expected Mexicans to have.
When I started the project, my thought as an African American was that I was interested because so often you just don't have any idea what your history is. The thing that surprised me was the variety of people and the variety of reasons that people wanted to get involved in the project.
I'm the type of person that I would look in the mirror and I'd be like, oh my gosh, there's straight pieces in my afro.
And people would just say, oh, you're mixed with something. And I'm like, I don't know that for sure, so you shouldn't assume.
You know, as a kid, you think, 50-50, mom, dad, Italian, Irish, and that what makes me. It's not the case, because it goes way beyond that.
I feel a better connection to my own self, and I feel more confident in my identity since taking this test.
When I first came to the USA, I never really looked at, people's color. I just thought we all were just one. Until the 9/11 happened. Everyone was looking at me differently. And I was only like a little kid at that time, so it affected me a lot because I'm like, wow, based off my color, everyone is judging me.
We're all 99.9% the same. And often the DNA results show that that last 0.1% is not as different as what we thought it was.
Sitting across from you, I'm like, there is not that much of a difference between us. My skin's just a little dark, but we probably have the same DNA.
It feels amazing to know that I'm a citizen of the world, that I'm basically a one-person United Nations.
We're connected in that beautiful string of diversity and just sameness but differentness.
I've always felt that race was a silly limit, and I hope that I can get many more people to feel that way, and I want to feel proud that I've maybe changed the world in a better direction.